Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by equipping a medkit to a quick slot so you can access it instantly under fire. Open your inventory, select the medkit, and bind it to slot 1 or 2. This saves precious seconds. Once done, make sure you know your current medkit count. Only way limits resources, so you must conserve for heavy bleeding or limb injuries. You use medkits not just to restore health, but to stop bleeding and prevent mission-ending situations, which is why proper assignment matters. You should apply the medkit when bleeding or limb damage reduces mobility and combat efficiency. Move into cover, crouch, or go prone to avoid stagger interruptions. Interruptions waste medkits. Once you start the application animation, remain still. The medkit stops bleeding, heals some HP, and restores limb function over a few seconds. Make sure to check your surroundings first, because applying under open fire often fails. After use, reassess position and ammo. Medkit use you finish by moving as soon as the heal completes, since standing still invites enemy fire. If you notice the medkit did not stop bleeding or full mobility did not return, try using a medkit while canceling into a sprint or roll. That can break stun and finish the heal. Make sure to reserve medkits for scripted encounters and unavoidable close quarters fights in only way. If things go wrong, prioritize cover, use smoke or distraction, then re-attempt the medkit when you are safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.